In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota 4Runner key fob and change the battery yourself at home. This particular device was used on 4Runners between 2010 and 2020, and all you will need to open it up is a regular old flathead screwdriver and one of these CR 2016 batteries. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple bucks. And once you have everything you need, you can just follow along. So let's get started. Right up here on this key ring, you will see on the side, there's a little indentation along the seam of the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and twist the screwdriver until you hear a cracking sound and this little back piece of plastic comes off. From here, we want to insert our flathead screwdriver right into this little opening on the top, and we're just going to be prying out this inner component here. And now we can set this to the side. And if you look, we can see there's a little arrow. You can see there's a little arrow right there. We're going to come over to this area with our flathead screwdriver, and right between this black plastic and this clear plastic, there's a little indentation. So insert your screwdriver in there, and again, we're just twisting the screwdriver until this opens up, and then just continue pulling it apart with your fingers. Set this down just for a moment. And now you can see our CR 2016 battery. There are a couple little openings here, little spaces for you to put a tool into. I'm going to put this same flathead screwdriver right here, right on the left side. I'm going to insert the corner of my screwdriver and just get under the battery, just lifting it up, and you'll see it'll come out pretty easily. Go ahead, get rid of your old battery and get a brand new CR 2016 battery. If you don't know where to pick one of those up, again, there will be a link in the description. Make sure this positive side with the text there is going face up. And so you just want to click it in face up, push it into place, make sure it's sitting nice and secure. And then we could just begin to reassemble this device. So click this back together. Just set this back in there, press it down, make sure it's in there nicely, and finally click the back piece of plastic back on there. Go ahead, test it by pressing one of the buttons, and if you see that red light coming on, that means your battery is fully charged and you followed everything correctly, and basically you are good to go. So I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.